Hello and welcome to Prime African Estate. This is a channel that help you get these amazing homes as well as investment opportunities. So we help you find homes in Kenya, especially if you're in Kenya or in abroad. So today we are showcasing a very amazing and magnificent bungalow in Rongai, Ongata Rongai. This is a 3-bedroom bungalow that goes for Kenya shillings 7.5 million, that is without a DSQ, and 8 million with a DSQ. So let's welcome in. Let me show you this amazing. So the bungalow is built in a 50 by 100 plot. And as you can see, the compound is quite big. It's in a 50 by 100 plot. So this is the entry point of the house. It's big. Those who like flowers, you can make some flower bed there. You can make anything to make it even better. So this is the living area of the house. Look how big it is. It is a big house. It is a big living area. Look how it is. You can see, just look at the color, the painting, it's well done. I like it. You can see even the wall brackets. I like it. I haven't met one of this kind. It says, my love home. Sure, this is your love home. So this now it comes to the dining area. This is the dining area here. You can see also how it's done. It's well lit. You can have your, this is your dining area sink as well as a mirror. And then here you have your open plan kitchen. So the open plan kitchen, I like it. Look at something unique about this kitchen. It has stairs that moves all the way from the floor up to the top. So this ensures that your kitchen has no stains and it's easy to clean. Okay. I'd also look at the kitchen bars, or what you call the tops, kitchen tops here. They are granite, and also you can see the cabinets here. They are well done. If you are to open any of it, here they already has a bottle there. You can see the upper cabinets. They are good. They look amazing. You can see the quality of each cabinet is well done. Here you have your provision for your cooker. So you put your cooker there, give the provision. You could put also your microwave there. This is your double sink kitchen. It's a modern kitchen. As I'll show you, the water is still running. So there's no problem in this area with water. Something else now, I'll show you the first room in this bungalow. So look how the design it is. Before you go to the bedrooms, everything is just one door. Then you have a small veranda here. Then you go out to the bedrooms or to the rooms. So this is our first room. It is a spacious. This one would fit a king size bed. Look, it's big, it's enough. And also you can see the wardrobe here. So this then is much more of a closet. You can see it. You can see the shelves. They are well arranged. You can see also the drawers. They are good. I like how they have done it. Everything is just well done. Now let's go to our next bedroom. And even before you go to the bedroom, there's one thing unique. Most houses or most homes comes with they comes with just one toilet or one bathroom here. But here you get a bathroom and also you get a toilet. So that is a good provision. Ensuring if someone is using, especially knowing that all the rooms are not en suite, it offers a good provision where when someone is using the toilet, the other one can be using the bathroom. So this is the second bedroom in this house. It is also big, as you can see. And also you can see the closet. This one has a much bigger closet. It stretches or almost to the door up to this end. You can see you also have your dressing mirror here. You can just, as you dress up, you can see yourself there, and probably a dressing table done, and you can see the shelves also here, they are well done. So that is it about this room. Now we go to the master bedroom. I told you this master bedroom is unique. As you'll see, first it is spacious. Look at it, so spacious. If you want to own this bedroom, I think you would enjoy the space. It's just big. You could even put 2 beds here, you know, but that's the smaller bed for a kid, not for. So here you have your wardrobe or a closet. You can see it is also big. It's big enough. The one I like, it has a mirror also, just to see how this opens. You can see how big it is. This is your hanging area. You can see the shelves there, and also the shelf in the upper side. So from there, we have now the ensuite bathroom. So look at the ensuite bathroom there. You can see the sink there, you can see the toilet, and the most magnificent thing in this ensuite, it is the bathtub. Look at it. I think it's just big enough. You can just lie there. You also see you have 2 tubs there for hot and cold water. So the drainage, everything is done. Also you can see the tiling. The tiling is well done from the floor up to the top. That ensures that you can easily clean your, that is your bathroom. So as I said earlier, this house goes for Kenya shillings 7.5 million without a DSQ. Like for the one we are at the moment doesn't have a DSQ, and it goes for 7.5 million, then one with a DSQ at 7.8 million. So these units, there are few remaining. So if you want one, contact us at Prime African Estate. You can contact us with the number shown on the screen, or you can also reach us, you can visit us our website. So reach out to us if you want to have a visit to this site, reach out to us, and we can take you and come and have this amazing view, or even own this amazing home. And even if it's an investment opportunity, you can buy this home and you can rent it out. So thank you, and see you in our next video. Welcome.